in the inaugural function, it was made clear that this is a conference about a topic whose content part has yet to be implemented. 12th plan document is being prepared and it has yet to be implemented. Therefore, any field work or any collection of the primary data that was not made by me even to prepare this paper, and I depend much on the documents supplied by the Planning Commission mainly and some other experts on the subject. Secondly, whenever the plan is going to be implemented, at the stage of its preparation and at the stage of implementation, inclusiveness will be a big challenge, and at the global level and even at the national level, how big the challenge is, and on the basis of the experiences we gained during the last 1.5 decades, how to identify the intensive challenges and what solutions can be taken, that is the main content of my paper. For the past 1.5 decades, this concept of inclusiveness is gaining momentum at the global level. They call it harmonious society in the Republic of China. In their plans, they call it like that way. In Thailand also, they call it sufficiency philosophy or quick and sustainable development in Vietnam, or it is raising economic growth and making growth more inclusive in our country. All these things have more or less the same meaning. Bringing all the people in the fold of our development and making them the ultimate beneficiaries of development. Otherwise, whether in India or elsewhere, we may have one shining part, the other one suffering part. So our planners thought of making the entire population of our country the beneficiaries of development. They do not want to see two Indias, they want to see one India. Therefore, inclusion is the very much needed, important content part of our 5-year plan. The model which even the 11th 5-year plan followed and the 12th plan is going to follow, it is quite broad-based, wants to provide employment opportunities to all, wants to see structural transformation in our economy, whereas poverty has to be reduced, proper resource management has to be done. Any growth collapse, that means what we call business cycles, collapses here and there, recession, etc. These things should be avoided or should be kept at the minimum. And once we initiate a growth process with sufficient insight thoughts into it, it must be sustainable, and we require high rate of economic expansion and inclusion. Once a great economist, Kaushik Basu, asked a question, do you want the alleviation of poverty or do you want growth? Normally